Alright guys, this is probably the hardest of all the lessons that you've been taught. But if you remember from expressions, we did translating. So it's the same thing, except now we're going to have to use equal signs. Not a problem. So our objective today is I can translate equations and solve them. The solving part you should have down pat. So that's half the battle. We're just going to work into translating. Warm up time, please take a second. Do both problems. We'll do a little separation here. Take 2 seconds to do both problems. So over here, what you should have done is notice that they were being multiplied. And remember, we want a brick wall, and we want to do the opposite. So instead of multiplying by 6, we're going to divide by 6. We're going to do it on both sides, keep everything nice and easy. These cancel. We're going to bring down our variable, keep our equal sign, and 30 divided by 6 gives us 5. So x equals 5. We will check our work. So we will do, I don't want to write it backwards, we'll do 30 equals 6x. And instead of x, we will put in what we think the answer is. So 6 times 5 here is 30, and 30 equals 30. This works. Here's our answer. And then on this side, we should notice that they're being divided. So instead of dividing by 9, we want to multiply by 9, do the opposite operation. These will cancel. We'll bring down our s. And 54 times 9, I honestly don't know that off my head. So I'll do a little work down here. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry 3, that's 45. Plus 3 is 48. So this should be 486. Huge number. So we'll check our work again. And I'll use a different color so we can see. We have s over 9 equals 54. So we will have 486, which is what we think it is, divided by 9. Should equal 54. Show a little bit of work here. 486 divided by 9. 9 goes into 48 5 times. That's 45. We'll do a little subtraction. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring down our 6. 9 goes into 36. 4 times evenly. And that works. So that means 54 equals 54. S equals 486 is our answer. I know that's a lot of work, I'm sorry, but it's not a problem. I'm sure you guys all got that. There is no notes for today. Instead, it's going to be a lot more of us understanding stuff. So, the first thing we should do when we have any word problem is we should underline what's important. So let's read the problem together. It says, Mary has 37 books in her library. I think this is important. She bought several books at a yard sale. That's also important. She now has 93 books in her library. And the question will circle, how many books did she buy at the yard sale? So there's a lot of things going on here. Most importantly, we know what she started with, 37 books. We know what she finished with, 93 books. Now this piece in the middle, we don't know. So several books, I don't know, could be 2, could be 10, could be 50, we don't know. So that we're going to give a variable to. So now we have to figure out what operation do we put here. We started at 37, we end up at 93. Knowing we went from smaller to larger, that slims us down to 2 operations, either adding or multiplying. And if we read it, she had 37 books, she now has 93. How many did she buy all one time? It's not talking about multiplication, because that would be a multiplying thing, something that happens more than once. So this operation is going to be addition. So we're going to take 37 and add some number to get to 93. Now if you remember when we added equations, we sat here and thought, this 37 has an invisible plus sign here because it's a positive number, right? So this is kind of there. We want to do the inverse operation, so we want to subtract 37 from both sides. These will cancel. We'll bring down our x. And then over here, we have 93 minus 37. We're going to do a little borrowing. 13 minus 7 gives us 6. And then 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So we now think that she bought 56 books. So we're going to label this 56 books. And every time we solve an equation, we've talked about we want to check our work, right? Just to make sure we know we got our answer correct. So we'll write this equation we started with. 37 plus x equals 93. And now we will change it up and substitute in. So instead of x, we'll put in the 56 we believe. Keep everything else the same. Keep our equal sign on the brick wall. And now we're adding. 67 is 13. We'll put the 3, carry the 1. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And 93 equals 93. That works out. So we know that Mary bought 56 books. I'm going to do it all over again because this is one way you can write this equation. We could do this equation in a different way. We know that somehow, some way, she started with 37 books and ended with 93. So we know 93 books is what she ended with. And if we take away 37 books, we would be left with the thing that we don't know, how many books she bought. So literally, this would just become a nice, simple problem of us subtracting. So we would borrow here, 13 minus 7 is 6, 8 minus 3 is 5, and we would still get 56 equals x. So same answer, two different ways. Doesn't matter which way you write your equation, as long as your equation has an operation, some numbers, and a variable, and an equal sign. Things that you need for your equation. All right? Let's try the second problem. Problem number 2 says, how many ink cartridges can you buy with $162 if one cartridge costs $18? So we want to make an equation. We're going from a big amount to a small amount. So that should take away 2 operations, right? So we're thinking about, we want to do division or subtraction. Okay, so if we were thinking that way, we would want to take our 162, because we want to write this a one-time thing. $162 is what we start with, that's what we have in our pocket, and each cartridge costs $18. As soon as we say each, that's more than one thing, that's a division problem. We want to get from bigger to smaller, we want to divide by 18 to figure out what our answer is. So we're taking our 162, dividing it by 18. Now, I can tell you on top of my head, I don't know how many times 18 goes into 162. So I'm going to do some work on this side. So let's pick a number. Let's try 4. 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 more is only 7. So that's nowhere near what I need to get to. So I'll pick a way bigger number this time. Let's try 7. 8 times 7 is 56. 7 plus 5 is 12, that's 126. I'm closer, but I'm still not there yet. Let's try 9. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 7 is 16. So I get 162, that's what we're looking for. So 162 divided by 18 is 9, and that's what equals x. So our answer here would be, you can buy 19 cartridges. Again, I'll do this a second way. Now, we did it as division. Well, every division equation can also be written as a multiplication equation. So we'll just flip everything. You have $18, right? Well, you have cartridges that cost $18, but the total amount of money you have is 162. And you want to know, how many of these can I buy? So we're going to multiply this by x. Essentially, this equation is going to be the same thing, because when we solve this equation, we're going to divide both sides by 18. Well, doing that, we'll cancel these over here. We'll just leave the x by itself. And then this we just did, 162 divided by 18, we literally found out that that was 9. Same answer, different setup. Both equations work. Both equations are fine. One more example. Okay, so this one reads, after eating at the restaurant, Jessica, Mike, and Fred decide to divide the bill evenly. So let's just underline that these are 3 people. And they're going to divide. Hold on one second.
Can you please meet me in the room 115, the testing room, Mrs. King?
Sorry guys, that's cool. So we're going to divide the bill evenly. If each person pays $16, what was the total of the bill? And this is a lot of things that are coming at us. We know we're going to use division because they divide up this bill evenly. And we know that they're each paid $16. But instead of doing division, let's do the opposite. Because we know there are 3 people, and each of these 3 people paid $16. So if we take the $16, and each person, all 3 of them, paid $16, that will give us our total bill. So we're going to do 16 times 3 here. So 6 times 3 is 18, put the 8 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So your total bill here is $48. All right, I know this seems like a lot and it seems really difficult. So all I want you to try right now is our 3 group practice problems. Just try writing the equations first and then turn that in. We'll check it, we'll give you feedback, and then you can work on solving them after. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.